discuss June 2019 IGNOU Term and Examination question paper, that CHE5 Organic Chemistry. Friends, in these lectures we only cover the question number 1. Let's try to understand what are the questions. Friends, this is question number 1 is write the structure of any one of the following compounds. Friends, the first one is 4-amino-pyridine. Friends, we already know the structure of pyridine, that is this is a nitrogen containing heterocyclic 6-member heterocyclic compounds. Friends, then in fourth position amino group is present. So we start numbering in this nitrogen. First, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. In fourth positions, that is amino group is joined, that is this is our resultant structures of 4-amino-pyridines. Friends, next one is 1-nitro-naphthalene. Friends, we already know the structure of naphthalene. The 2-cyclic benzene ring are joined, and 1 positions nitro group is present. So we write in this place, this is nitro group is present. So we simply join nitro group in this position. This is our resultant structures. Friends, the next one is, this is question number B. Give the IUPAC name of any one of the following. Friends, we already discussed the IUPAC name of this compound in our previous lectures. Let's start to understand it. Friends, we write this compound IUPAC name in 2 ways, that is in term of ether and alkoxy alkane. Friends, this is 1, 2, 3. This is propyl, ethyl, ether. In another way, that is in first position, this is methane, ethane, that is ethoxy propane. Friends, the next one is, this is SCONH2. Friends, we already know CONH2 is acetamide, that is 1 carbon atom is present. So we write this is methanamide or formamide. Formamide. And we also write methanamide. Friends, the next one is write the structure of mesotartaric acids. Friends, we know meso compound are superimposed compounds, and it did not rotate the PPL. PPL, that is plane polarized light. Let's try to draw its structures. Friends, the structure of mesotartaric acid, that is this is our mesotartaric acid. we also write in another word, that is this COOH. We simply convert this H, alternate this H and OH. So friends, we clearly see in these structures this mesotartaric acid did not rotate the PPLs and it superimposed in intermolecularly. The compound will be miscible with waters. Friends, this is diethyl ether and glycols. Friends, the structure of diethyl ether, that is friends, you clearly see in this case this diethyl ether did not form hydrogen bond. So this diethyl ether is unable to miscible with waters. But friends, in 3 carbon chain ether, this is the higher tendency to miscible with water as compared to this diethyl ether. When this carbon chain increase the tendency of miscible of water, this ether compound is comparatively decreased. But friends, in case of glycols, the structure of glycol, that is friends, you clearly see in this case, in case of glycols, glycol easily form hydrogen bonds. So this glycol easily miscible with water. So our resultant answer is glycol is miscible with waters and ether not miscible with waters. The next one is this question number E. Why does trans 1,2-dichloroethane have zero dipole moment? Friends, the structure of 1,2-dichloroethane, that is this is 1, 2, 3. Friends, this is the structure of trans 1,2-dichloroethanes. But friends, in case of cis 1,2-dichloroethane, the structure of cis, both hydrogen in one side and chlorine is other sides. This is the structure of cis 1,2-dichloroethane. Friends, we know the dipole moment mu is a vector quantity. So friends, the value of dipole moment depends on the charge present in these molecules and also its directions. So friends, you clearly see 2 chlorine atoms are present in opposite sides of this carbon-carbon double bond. So it cancel this work in these sides and this chlorine work in these sides. So the direction is opposite. So the resultant dipole moment is 0. But friends, in this case, this chlorine have some charge and direction in these sides, and this chlorine have some charge and direction in these sides. So a net dipole moment is produced in this case. So this cis-1,2-dichloroethane have no zero dipole moment. This is some amount of dipole moment is present. So this is the reason the trans 1,2-dichloroethane have zero dipole moment. Friends, I hope you understand. If you understand these lectures, please share with your friends and subscribe, like, press the bell icon for more updates. Thank you so much.